So we're gonna talk about ethics in experiment. Ethics. So the role of ethics in psychology, well, we will discuss in much deeper detail later. But now just have you be able to like familiarize with the concept. So first of all, informed consent. A participant in a laboratory experiment is likely to know that they are participating in a study and can readily be asked for their informed consent, or sometimes we call consent form. However, it may be necessary to deceive them in order to avoid them working out the aim of the study and altering their behavior, such as like to reduce the demand characteristics. There is therefore a balance between good ethics and good science. In field and natural experiments, in contrast, it may not be possible to gain consent as the participants may be unaware that they are even in study. This is an ethical problem because participants should have the right to know what they are entering into and to agree to participate or not. They should also have the right to withdraw, which they cannot do if they do not even know that they are in a study, or they should be protected from the possible harm.
Wow.
Yeah. So in all experiments, privacy and confidentiality are important as well, and also like deception. You should not like lie or or withholding some information in the study. So privacy can be respected in laboratory experiments because the tests or questions used are pre-planned. In the natural settings of field and natural experiments, however, there is a risk of invading privacy, so researchers must be more careful to this. It's pretty tricky. Yeah. Confidentiality can be respected in all experiments by keeping the participants' data secure and anonymous. Although if the participants are unaware that data has been collected as in a field experiment, it is important to ensure that they cannot be individually identified, for example, by their place of work or name. Yeah, it's pretty tricky. So like in practice, practicality size. A psychology department of ethical committee is looking at a research proposal, what we call research proposal, for a study about the effect of cognition on a therapy designed to help people relax, for example. So the researchers only plan to ask for consent about the procedures they will use, listening to an imagery-based relaxation tape or not their aim. They intend to deceive the participants about the independent variable, which will be either to tell them what will really happen, their pulse rate should fall, or to give them like false information by telling them that some people see disturbing like flashing lights. When participants are giving the limited information at the start of the study, they will also be told that they can leave anytime, giving them the right to withdraw. The instructions on tape tell the participants to imagine like relaxing, intimate thoughts. However, they also told that they will not be asked about these thoughts, ensure the privacy is protected, and also ensure the confidentiality. So, okay, I'll tell you the real how they done out there. So before you like gonna do like any experiment, right? Way back before that, why we have this kind of ethical concern is that because back in the days, some experiments are pretty unethical.